It's our dream house. I love this house because we were able to do everything that we wanted to do. We designed this house specifically for our family. Rob and I were able to work really well as a team. They listened to us and our needs and our wants. It was just a great experience. It was a great creative collaboration, and we were able to marry his standard features and craftsmanship with the design vision that I had. We were confident that the quality, the craftsmanship were top-notch. And when we're all home, it just feels like this amazing sanctuary. It's almost like we don't ever even want to go on vacation because nothing beats being at home.